Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we're driving southeast on Olivier Road towards Norbrook Acres Road. On the right is Norbrook Acres Drive. Turning onto Norbrook Acres Road, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us onto Shortwood Road. Norbrook Acres Road ends and we are turning back towards Olivier Road. Turning onto Olivier Road. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.